What would happen if someone told you to start a MotoGP bike? Most people probably couldn't because, surprisingly, a MotoGP machine doesn't have a key or even a starter button. So, how does it actually come to life? These bikes are engineered for one purpose alone: absolute performance. To achieve that, every unnecessary component is stripped away to make the bike as light as possible, because in MotoGP, every gram can make a difference. Before the race begins, the mechanics use a specialized external starter that spins the rear wheel, turns over the engine, and fires the bike up. The downside is that if the engine stalls during the race, the rider has no way to restart it by themselves. Instead, they must either push the bike back to the pit lane or wait for the marshals to bump start it. That single missing starter button can sometimes be the difference between winning and losing an entire race. Do you think that you can't start a MotoGP bike? Let me know in the comments and follow Revline for more content.